Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Nest Wi-Fi after power cycle problems, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your Google Nest Wi-Fi is powered off. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait for at least 30 seconds. While waiting, check that your modem is functioning properly. Plug your modem back into the power outlet. Wait for the modem to fully restart. This typically takes around 1 to 2 minutes. Once the modem is stable, plug the power cord back into your Google Nest Wi-Fi. Wait for the device to power up completely. The light on the Nest Wi-Fi should indicate it's starting to connect. If the light flashes orange, the device is booting up. If the light turns solid white, your Nest Wi-Fi is ready to connect. Next, open the Google Home app on your mobile device. Make sure your phone is connected to the same network as your Nest Wi-Fi. In the app, tap on the Nest Wi-Fi device you wish to troubleshoot. Look for any alerts or warnings within the app. Follow any prompts to resolve these alerts. If you encounter issues, try rebooting the Nest Wi-Fi through the app. To do this, tap on the settings icon in the app. Select Network in General. Then tap on Advanced. From here, choose Restart. Confirm your choice to restart the device. Wait a few moments for the Nest Wi-Fi to reboot. Check the light status again to ensure it's connected. If the problem persists, consider factory resetting your Nest Wi-Fi. To factory reset, hold the reset button on the device for about 10 seconds. Release the button when the light flashes orange. This will restore the device to its original factory settings. After the reset, set up your Google Nest Wi-Fi again using the Google Home app. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your network. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.